Hello and welcome to our tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of accessing and viewing our international call rates. Alright, so I'm now logged into our admin portal and I'm going to show you how you can access our international call rates. Now, knowing these rates can be vital for admins handling global communication systems. It'll allow you to track costs, ensure accurate billing, and make informed decisions about international strategies. So first, we'll log into the admin portal. That's done. Next, we'll head to the Quick Help section in the upper left-hand corner. Now, it might be a bit subtle, but let me zoom that in for you. It's listed right here as international tariffs. So let's click on it. It'll bring up this list for you. Okay. Just, again, pretty comprehensive. It includes details like country, area code, and the rate per minute. So take a moment to review the information and scroll through to find specific country rates. To quickly locate a country, you can use the search function. On Windows, that's Control F. On Mac, you use Command and F. Let's say I'm looking for Argentina. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. There's not much to it, but I'm sure you can find it very useful. Alright. And that's it. We've now mastered how to access and view our international rates. Thanks for tuning in.